Hi again, and welcome back to my wind sensor from a car reversing sensor project. So the next part of the project is to try to convert the original PCB and add a little bit of extra area on it so that I could add my Arduino. So as you can see, I've cut up a bit of dev board here, which fits in there like that. The original circuit fits on there. The idea then is to knit these two together. I'll probably drill some holes through some suitable points on the circuit board and basically just use some copper wire. So I'll pull the copper wire through and solder it up so that it's basically like knitted together. So then hopefully the idea is that when the inevitable happens and you need to get it apart, it should be reasonably easy to take apart, rather than using something like hot glue, which of course it tends to get sticky, mess all over everything. So that's as far as I've got. A couple of another interesting part here. You can see this part here, which is actually, I think, is a voltage regulator. And on the previous iteration of the circuit, I did find that this voltage regulator, 5-volt voltage regulator, by the time you got the Arduino and the ESP, I had an ESP32 on it. That voltage regulator was basically not big enough, but usefully they've left a space here which looks like a space for a larger voltage regulator, and I'll probably be taking advantage of that. So that's as far as I've got. There's the plan there, and in this space here the plan is to get one of those very cheap ESP01, those little ESP 8266 boards, and to just slot it into that space there. And the final part of this is, hopefully this is the rest of the case here, and there should be, I believe, if you look around this area, there should be space for possibly a 2-cell battery in here to get the order of 7 volts, and so that should hopefully that'll fit in the case as well, and that will act as a power supply. And then I will also have an external solar panel on here, so that it will be self-powered from the wind, and the battery inside will hold enough charge, one hopes, to keep it running when the sun's not shining. Anyway, so that's as far as I've got so far, and obviously if I get any more done, I will certainly come back and let you know. Goodbye for now.